Hello everyone, welcome back to MSI Analytics. Today, we are diving into an essential tool for any business owner managing parking lots or facilities, a parking revenue dashboard. This dashboard isn't just numbers on a screen, it's your go-to tool for understanding how well your parking business is performing, identifying trends, and making data driven decisions. So let's break it down. First of all, let's talk about what problems this dashboard can solve for you. So, managing parking revenue can be overwhelming with scattered data and no clear insights. This dashboard organizes all your key metrics into one place. It helps you answer questions like how much revenue did I generate this month? Are violations increasing or decreasing? Which parking zones are performing best? Or what's my average revenue per hour? So now let's start with the top section, which gives a high-level summary of your performance. So first of all, we have our total revenue. This shows you exactly how much money you made in your month of May, which is $21,000. This arrow tells you it's an 8.3% increase compared to the previous month. You can track your growth over time with this matrix. After that, we have our total parking. You had 636 parking events this month, up by 3.1%. A steady increase here means more customers are using your facility. After that, we have average parking duration in minutes. So this is for customers who parked an average of 153.71 minutes. If this number increases or decreases, it might indicate how well you are meeting your customer needs. After that, we have average ticket price and ticket violation. These show the average charge per ticket and how many violations occurred. Both metrics help identify if your pricing strategy and enforcement policies are working efficiently. Now, moving on to the graph showing revenue by date. This visual helps you spot daily trends. For example, on 19th of May, there's a noticeable peak. Was there an event in the area? Did your pricing strategy change? This insight helps you plan for high demand days and ensure you are prepared to handle the surge. After that, we have the average revenue per hour by time. It is a bar chart, and this can be a game changer for you. It shows you what times of the day generate the most revenue. For instance, revenue peaks at 11 a.m., hitting $62. This could indicate a lunch rush or prime parking time. On the other hand, there is a low point which is at 1 a.m. with just $12. This data allows you to adjust staffing or pricing based on demand throughout the day. Next up, we have revenue breakdown by source. A circular chart showing exactly where your money is coming from. Monthly permits dominate here at $15,489. Hourly and daily parking also contribute significant amount here. Understanding these sources helps you focus on what's working. If monthly permits bring in most of your revenue, you might want to market that option more heavily. Finally, let's talk about parking by zone. This is where things get really actionable. You can see how each zone performed compared to last month. For example, Zone G saw an 18.4% increase, while Zone E dropped by 8.2%. If a zone is underperforming, maybe it's due to poor signage, inconvenient locations, or other issues. Fixing these can directly boost your revenue. So, the parking revenue dashboard is a must have for any business owner in the parking industry. It helps you track revenue, optimize pricing, and improve the customer experience. Most importantly, it gives you the insights you need to make smart data-driven decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MSI Analytics. Give us your feedback below in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.